my name is Richard Balaji, and I'm a software engineer and community manager for dSIPRouter. In this video, I will be talking about automating the deployment of dSIPRouter to the cloud. To do so, we use a tool called Terraform, which is a tool used for building, changing, and versioning infrastructures safely and efficiently. Terraform also reduces the amount of time and the complexity it takes in building a dSIPRouter instance, which is why we use it. And when testing for our 0.64 and our upcoming 0.641 release, we were able to spin up and destroy dSIPRouter instances quickly and efficiently, which saved us a lot of time with testing. So here I'm going to show you a quick overview of the Terraform website where you go to download Terraform. So it's here at terraform.io/downloads.html. And as you can see here, Terraform can run on multiple operating systems. So you just choose whichever operating system you're working with, and then you download Terraform. And in this demo, I will also be using DigitalOcean as my cloud platform, since that's what we use for our testing. But Terraform has a plugin architecture that can work with any of the popular cloud platforms. So to get started, you'll want to log into DigitalOcean and get an API token. So you'll go to the bottom left, click API, and then generate new token. And the reason that this API token is needed is because the DigitalOcean Terraform provider will pick things up from the environment variable. So you just generate that new token and set it in an environment variable. And then also you would want to get a private key and public key. And then that public key, you would go to settings and then security. And then you add it here and you'll store it there. And then you want to also keep in mind the directory to where you save the private key, which will also be needed. So now you enter the command line. Here, and then you'll want to clone down our Git repo. The version 0.641 is what I'm using for this demo. And then I already did that, so it's not going to clone again, but you'll have to do so if you haven't done so already. And then after that, you'll want to go to you want to change directory to dSIPRouter, and then change directory to resources, and Terraform. And it will be in, you want to change directory to DigitalOcean, which would be DO. And then here, you can see inside of here it has all the Terraform scripts. And then this Terraform.tfvars.sample, you'd want to copy that into Terraform.tfvars. So let's copy vars.sample to Terraform.tfvars. Okay. Yep. And then we want to, inside, you want to go into Terraform.tfvars. And so inside of Terraform.tfvars, the directory as to where you save your private key that you generated, you would want to change it to there. So for instance, mine is in this directory. Then you'll want to save that. And then also the public key name. So here, whatever you name it in DigitalOcean, right here is mine is rich / public key. You would want to name that inside of the that script. So let's go back here and change the name, public key name, to rich public key, and then save that. Okay, then now that that's done, you run a Terraform in it. And that this Terraform in it just initializes the configuration files. So that's all it's doing. And then once that's done, you do a Terraform apply minus var, and then the image, you'll change the image to whichever OS you want to use. And I'll be using Debian 10 for this demo. And then you can change it to whichever branch you want to use, and the branch I'll be using is version 0.64. 0.641. And then you enter yes, and then it'll start installing now. Okay, so now after the install, you get the screen that shows you all the credentials that you need to log in. So you can go ahead and grab the IP, copy that, paste it, and enter in the username and the password as well. Then you log in, and that's it. And then also you can see in DigitalOcean that the droplet was created. And also, you can easily delete the droplet like this by running the command terraform destroy. That'll delete the dSIPRouter instance. Enter yes. Then it starts destroying. And it's destroyed. And you can also check in DigitalOcean and see for yourself. Refresh the page. And it's gone. And that's it.